Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping, and today we're going to check out calluses. We'll call the video, What is Under the Callus? Comment below if you have an alternate title you think we should use. For reference, a callus is a thickened and hardened part of the skin or soft tissue, especially in an area that's been subjected to friction.
Razors are much sharper. People think that we are, possibly can cut ourselves, which it does happen. Not very often.
They're especially common among athletes and the elderly. That's a weird pairing. Does that mean they're really an issue in elderly athletes? Here are a few of my favorite callus video clips. Click subscribe and hit that notification bell for all our updates. See you next time.
Hey, my name's Leah. I'm checking in with Thynergy. I've been on it for 4 months now, and I am continuously still losing weight. I have a lot more energy. My dog's super happy because he gets to go on a lot more walks, and we actually did a 8-mile hike last weekend, which was a lot of fun.
Looking for a great way to cut weight and look great? Well, it's time to check out Thynergy. Available exclusively from Amazon, Thynergy is America's top weight loss supplement. This elite fat-burning formula turns your body into a calorie-burning furnace.
Thynergy, you guys are helping people lose weight.
This is a shout out to the team at Thynergy.
Thynergy.
To all the crew at Thynergy, I wanted to just tell you guys to keep losing all the weight. You're doing amazing, and congrats on hitting your goals.
I highly recommend Thynergy. I think you should give it a shot.